our kitty can draw friends. Ready to draw the sweetest little cookie in town? Let's draw a gingerbread girl. Let's start drawing. First, draw a large circle for the face. For the bow, draw an oval shape at the top left corner. Then draw an incomplete triangle on each side. Draw 2 curves for the cheeks. Above each curve, draw half an oval shape for the eyes. Inside the eye, draw half a circle for the iris and the smaller half circle for the pupil. Repeat the same steps on the other side. And color the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw 3 eyelashes on each eye. Draw a small oval shape for an eyebrow over each eye. Draw an oval shape between the eyes for the nose. Make a large half circle under the nose for the smiley mouth, making a curve at each end. Draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the face for the sides of the body. Then draw a curve connecting them at the bottom. Then make a similar curve under it and connect them together at the ends. Draw a diagonal line coming down from each side. Then connect them together with a wavy line for the skirt. Decorate the skirt with a few lines. Draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the skirt, the one on the right being longer than the one on the left. Then draw a letter C connecting them to finish the left leg. On the right side, draw a short line. Then draw a mirror image of the letter C, connecting this line to the left leg to make the right leg. Draw a diagonal line coming down from the bottom of the face, right at the side of the body, and connect it to the side of the body with a U shape to make the arm. Repeat the same step on the other side for the other arm. Now let's start icing the gingerbread girl. Add a wavy line on each side of the bow, along the curve of the head. Then add a similar line right under it. Add 2 wavy lines on each arm near the end. Add similar wavy lines on the legs. Now add 2 cute hearts on the chest. Cutie-licious, this is cuteness overload! Now you can draw a cute gingerbread girl. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.